Hello friends and students, welcome back to Learners Academy. Today is day 3 and chapter 3 of my handwritten notes. Question 2a, the chapter is from Science 1, Chemical Reactions and Their Equations, a very easy and an interesting chapter. The give reasons is worth 4 marks in the paper, according to SSC board paper. Let's move ahead. Crack your 10 boards with guarantee question wise preparation for the exams. Just prepare these give reasons from each chapters to ensure the 4 marks from question 2a. There will be 3 questions asked in question 2a. You have the choice to attempt any 2. In chapter 3 we have 10 most important give reasons. Let me tell you something जो यहाँ पे नहीं है. Writing the extras. You write the extras, your efficiency will increase. It will set a good example for the examiner. Your paper will be really amazing, and you have a guarantee that you will get those 4 marks. Because if by chance one question goes wrong or you write something which is not correct, the extra will definitely save you. Get above 95%. For those of you who haven't watched my previous videos, go watch them first. I have got 96% in science SSC 2020, and overall I achieved 92%. Let's move ahead now to the give reasons. Give reason 1. It takes time for pieces of Chabad tile to disappear in HCl, but its powder disappears rapidly. It takes time for pieces of Chabad tile to disappear in HCl, but its powder disappears rapidly because the rate of reaction depends on the size of the particles taking part in the reactions. This is an important point. Let me give it a bracket. Smaller the size of the reactant particles, the more will be their total surface area and faster will be the reaction. In reaction with dilute HCl with pieces of Chabad tile, CO2 effervescence is formed and the tile disappears slowly. On the other hand, CO2 effervescence forms at a faster speed with Chabad tile powder and it disappears rapidly. Take a screenshot, pause for a while if you wish to. Now let's move ahead to the second give reason. We have a lot to do in this chapter. Grills of door and windows are always painted before they are used. Why? Due to the following reasons. Grills of doors and windows are made from iron. Iron, the symbol is Fe, ferrous. It has a tendency to undergo corrosion in presence of air. Sorry for the small handwriting, I just compensated this over here. Paint does not allow air or moisture to come in contact with the iron surface to prevent the rusting of iron. These grills are always painted frequently. Very easy answer. Pause for a while if you want to take a screenshot. Let's move ahead now. When the gas formed on heating limestone is passed through freshly prepared lime water, the lime water turns milky due to the following reasons. This is a very important answer. We have been doing this since 5th standard, and this is just like previous chapters. I mentioned some important answers. This is one of the most important answers of this particular chapter. When the gas formed on heating limestone is passed through freshly prepared lime water, the lime water turns milky because when limestone is heated, in calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are formed. CaCO3 plus heat gives CaO solid and CO2 is released. It is very important to mention the chemical reaction in any answer. It will fetch you marks, and it's actually a part of the answer. You have to mention it. No other questions. The carbon dioxide gas is passed through freshly prepared lime water. Insoluble calcium carbonate is formed. Due to calcium carbonate, the solution turns milky. That is, lime water turns milky. Now you have to write this in this particular answer. CaOH twice plus CO2. This is aqueous, this is gas. You have to mention it. Then it forms CaCO3 calcium carbonate, which is solid, and H2O water, which is liquid. Fourth, while preparing dilute sulfuric acid in the laboratory, concentrated sulfuric acid is added to the water with constant stirring. While preparing dilute sulfuric acid from concentrated sulfuric acid in the laboratory, concentrated sulfuric acid is added to the water with constant stirring due to the following reasons. The preparation of dilute sulfuric acid is highly exothermic process. It's a very difficult and an exothermic process. If water is added slowly, drop by drop, the concentrated sulfuric acid, the water gets evaporated instantaneously. If water is added continuously, the mixture may splash out, causing an accident. In order to prevent this, the water is taken in a glass container and a small quantity of concentrated sulfuric acid is added with constant stirring. Therefore only a small amount of heat is liberated at a time, hence write it from the question itself. I definitely know you guys have struggled reading this answer. I myself struggled reading while I myself struggled with this answer. The thing I want to make here is be very clear, be very neat, and be very clean in your paper. Don't do cutting in the paper. Give a single line cut and be very clean, be very appropriate. A clean paper becomes a perfect paper and it gives a very solid impression to the examiner. Let's move ahead with the fifth give reason. It is recommended to use an airtight container for storage of oil for a long time because if edible oil is allowed to stand for a long time, it undergoes air oxidation. It becomes rancid and its smell and taste also changes. This oil is unfit for consumption. The process of oxidation reaction of foodstuff can be slowed down by storing it in an airtight container. Hence it is recommended to use or store oil in an airtight container. Let's move to the sixth give reason. Pause for a while if you want to take a screenshot. Iron rusts readily, whereas steel, which is also made from iron, does not undergo corrosion. Why? Iron rusts readily because iron articles rust readily as iron readily reacts with oxygen and moisture present in the air to convert into oxide and hydroxide Fe2O3.xH2O. While steel is an alloy of iron, carbon and chromium, the properties of an alloy are different from the properties of its constituents. The most important point of this answer, let me give it a bracket. The added metal increases the resistance to corrosion. It is more durable and clean. Hence copy the remaining statement from the question itself. Give reason 7. Concentrated HCl reacts vigorously then dilute HCl with calcium carbonate CaCO3. Concentrated HCl reacts more vigorously than dilute HCl with CaCO3 because the rate of reaction increases with the concentration of the reactant. Important point. As concentrated HCl contains more number of HCl molecules than those in equal volume in dilute HCl. Hence concentrated HCl reacts more vigorously with lime water. These answers are very small, they are very easy. You don't have to write stories, you have to write to the point. That's what science is all about. Write just what is required. Don't make up and build up your own stories. Give reason 8. Zinc powder reacts quickly with dilute H2SO4. Then granulated zinc of the same mass. The laser is doing some work for us. It's reading out. Zinc powder reacts quickly with dilute H2SO4 then does with granulated zinc of the same mass because the rate of reaction depends upon the particle size of the solid reactant. Smaller the particles are, the more will be their total surface area and faster will be the rate of reaction. Hence zinc powder reacts much faster with dilute H2SO4 then does granulated zinc of the same mass. Sorry, zinc powder reacts quickly than the zinc mass. This is just like the Shabat tile answer, the first one. Give reason 9. When copper articles are exposed to air for a long time, it gets corroded. Again we have a small laser doing the work for us. When copper articles are exposed to air for a long time, it gets corroded because copper oxides in the air to form black colored layer of copper oxide. Copper oxidizes in the air to form a black colored layer of copper oxide, get black. When copper oxide combines with CO2 carbon dioxide in the air, copper loses its luster, the shine, due to the formation of a greenish layer of copper carbonate on its surface. Therefore copper articles get corroded when they are exposed to the air for a longer time. This lecture is getting a little longer. Let's go to the last answer. Give reason 10. Silver vessels exposed to air turn blackish after a long time. Silver vessels exposed to air turn blackish after some time because on exposure to air, a layer of silver sulfuric acid Ag2S is formed. Silver sulfide Ag2S is formed by the mixture of reaction of silver with hydrogen sulfide in the air. When silver vessels are exposed to air, they turn blackish. Keep learning, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be uploading more of these videos. Even for science 2, I'll be uploading once the science 1 gets over. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning. Bye bye.